Hello student, today we are going to discuss about class 11 physics NCERT example problem. It's 8th chapter, second problem we are going to discuss. There are two questions asked, okay. Both is asked about what is the algebraic sum of the net force value, okay. First we will see the question. Yeah, ABC equilateral triangle, M mass is kept, okay. Equilateral triangle means everything will be 60 degree, okay. OA, OB, OC is going to be a 1 meter which is given in the question. That means OA, OB, OC is equal, okay. Now at the center what is the algebraic sum of the force is asked. First we will find OA, the next we will find OC, the next we will find OB, okay. First OA, okay. OA, the upwards means I direction, this side means, this side means I direction, this side means J direction, this side means negative I, this side means negative J, okay. Now first this side upwards, it's positive J direction, okay. This side positive I direction, positive J direction. So gravitational force G times of M1 M2 divided by D square in J direction, positive J direction. What is M2 times of M? What is M2? M, okay. So this is the force will be acting at the OA, okay. Next thing OC I am going to do. OC, actually we have to take it two resolution, this side and this side. This side is going to be positive I, this side is going to be negative J, okay. This is going to be adjacent side of this triangle. So this 30, because half of this, that's going to be 60 degree already I said, half of that 30 degree, okay. This also will be 30 because this angle and this angle will be equal, okay. So now 30 degree I am taken, this side is going to be F cos 30, this side is going to be F sin 30. Reason, the resolution opposite side is sin will come here, okay. Adjacent side is cos, okay. So now I am writing positive I and negative J, both combined together as a equation. OC1, the first force, it's going to be positive I. The next OC2, it's going to be a negative J, okay, so with sin 30, okay. It's going to be called as a F, okay. F times of cos 30, F times of sin 30, okay. If together, if you are writing that, I am going to call as a equation number 2, okay. This is going to be equation number 2. Same equation, just I substituted, then I got this much, okay. Next, OB, because of OB, this side is going to be F cos theta and this side is going to be F sin theta. Just I am taken the resolution of the triangle, okay. F cos 30 and F sin 30, both are negative side, both are negative, no, you can take it as a negative, okay. I also negative, J also negative. Previous case, I is positive, J is negative, okay. Here both is negative, okay. Now total force I am taken. So total force means totally here one term will be there, here two terms, and here two terms, totally 5 terms will be there, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 terms, okay. Out of this 2 will be get cancelled, that plus cos theta minus cos theta will get cancelled, okay. Remaining things alone will be there, okay. That's alone I will write here. So x minus 2 times of x we can write, okay. So minus 2 times of x will get sin 30 1 by 2, that 2 this 2 will get cancelled, remaining thing will be like this, the answer solution will be 0. Most of the center case the answer will become 0, okay. Now the second condition, A mass alone become twice, okay. Now what is a new force will be created, A force alone become as a twice of previous value, okay, because mass is double, force will become double, okay. This solution as it is same whatever we got previous value, okay. Now 2 into 2 4, here 2, okay, the 2 extra will come, okay. This answer is not going to be 0, it has some value. This is called force, the unit is going to be Newton. Thank you.